Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you? How have you been?
Yes, I'm great. Yeah, I'm doing great. And what about you? How was day shaping with you?
I'm
Shaping you?
also doing great and fit as a fiddle. Actually, I
Okay.
sometimes I forgot to use phrases in my conversation, so I
Yeah,
have to. I used to use conversation some common phrases in my conversation so that we can habitual of that, right? So
right,
I
right,
am
right,
good
right.
and
Because I also tried
actually.
it.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Because was not bad, but now we have only some conversation, like some sentences again and again we repeat. So, sometime I thought that conversation will be going on monotonous, right? So we have to
right.
be
Absolutely
something
correct.
like
Different.
implement. We have to be implement day by day. That's why this is the motto now
Right, right.
for our YouTube channel. So that's why we have to be updated.
Yes.
Okay.
Right, absolutely correct. Because I also try whenever I try new things, so I also stumble, like I also stuck in somewhere. But yeah, but when we are using new sentences and new things, so that will
Yes.
also habitual to us, like how to
Something will be
use the
good or
sentences.
something will be specific in our video now while we are uploading our channel,
Right,
and every video will be the same. So what is the changes in your videos every day? Your motto will be change something new, some new vocabulary, new idioms, new phrases, something new, na?
right,
So
right.
how are you?
Yes, yes,
Tell me
yes.
something about
So
yourself.
yes, I'm over the moon, can say, because I'm having a second session with you. Before that, I'm having session with Alka ma'am. So I was thinking I have a 30 minutes, so I have a session with you, so that way I can also create the content, because it's not possible to daily having a session with someone. So that is why. So I would say, like, I think we have to introduce first, because we know, but our viewers also get to know. So that is why
Yes,
shall
yes.
we start our introduction part in nutshell, because we don't want to the waste our time, because our viewers also think like why they are showing their expression again and again, why they are introducing again and again. That is why.
Yeah, some short and quick introduction we can. If I talk
Yes.
about myself, as you know that my name is Monica and I am from Gwalior, MP. And this is a very peaceful city, I would say. I have been like 8 years, since 8 years I am living here. And my experience almost good around 8 years. I have learned so many things. I have visited so many new monuments here, and my experience is really good in Gwalior. Actually, my hometown was in Agra, so I missed a lot. And previously, in previous week, I went Agra, my hometown, and I visited the beauty of the actually wonder of the world, Taj Mahal, and I visited so many
Taj Mahal.
small monuments like Edma Dola, Sikandra, and so many things are there. So I missed a lot. So I thought that actually after finishing my kids exam, so I have to take some small break with my kids and my family. So I told my husband I want to go somewhere. So why should not I
Wow.
go with my hometown and visit everything? So all there is a nostalgic for me, because after long time and after 8 years, I would say my marriage has been like completed 8 years, around like coming July 10th. So this is my nostalgic, and everything becomes a new memory and new things and old memories. So I went there and I enjoyed a lot. And in the city I learned a lot by education, and some month ago I started my channel, and my my speaking journey, or my learning new things or new skills. It's about all about my good experience. All over experience was good, and presently I am learning day by day something new and good. And my teaching learning is going on fabulous and very good. Nowadays I am teaching offline also, so that's why there is a some lackness of time I have. So whenever I get time, like evening time, most of the this time I am free, so I would like to having sessions like with you guys. Okay, so thank you
That's
so much.
great. I think you are managing your whole day, right? How to manage your school, like your
Right, right.
profession, your house, and you are also
Much
having a
hat-trick,
sessions
still
nowadays, right?
morning and right 24 hours is a very busy or very hectic schedule. We have to get up like I am now I am a early bird, we can say, and before
Yeah.
that I am not early bird, I am sleeping late night. Like na kids, kids are very naughty nowadays. They are not literally wants to sleep after 11 o'clock. They are like looking like that this is our evening time, it is going on, or playing time is always going on. After 12 p.m. they are about to sleep. They thought that we have to sleep now with mom. So this is the headache thing.
Yes.
Tell me
Yeah,
something about
because
your
you are
journey.
absolutely correct. Okay, now I would say about first my introduction. So my name is Preeti, as you know that, and I will talk about my academic parts. So I have completed my MBA. Previously, I was working as a financial advisor, but nowadays I'm not working. So that is why I was upskilling myself so that I can start somewhere my journey. And I'm talking about my children. So I'm having two kids, and I also running my YouTube channel. So I also from the not from the Gwalior, I nearby Gwalior. It's Datia. Have you heard that?
Yes, yes, the Tia Dabra, everything I
So
heard.
nearby Datia. Actually, I basically belong from the small town. So that is the nearby Datia. It's a Sevra. Might be you heard that or not. So there is a Sindh Nadi. Have you heard that?
Yes, 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 Sindh Nadi, I heard about
So
that.
I basically from, but I have completed my graduation from the Gwalior and I have completed my master degree from the Indore. So I also have so many memories because I have completed my graduation from the KRG College. Have you heard that KRG College? That is very famous
KRG
autonomous
College,
college.
yes, in Gwalior. Yeah,
Yes, 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 yes.
it
I
is
have
instituted
completed
in
my
Gwalior.
degree, graduation degree from, yeah. So
Okay.
I also living there hostel. So I have so many memories of there, and I also like when before getting the married also like I also used to live there almost 4 year there. So there is so many memories because there this college is very big and this is the
Mhm.
girls college. There is
Girls
not
College, yeah,
boys not
yeah. I
allowed,
heard
and
about
we are
this
living at
college.
hostel inside
Yeah,
that.
KRG College is
So I was
famous
living
for, especially for girls now, especially for girls. And my
girls.
relative also, my cousins also uh, done B.Ed, like their graduation from that.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So I completed. So I have so many memories about the Gwalior. But what thing after getting my like after doing the master degree, so that time I used to live in Indore. And after completing my degree, like degree, and after doing the job, I got married. So my in-laws family is basically from the Gwalior. So
Okay.
I used to live here in Indore with my husband and my kids. So we are living here. Like my husband business is here. That is why. So I think I would like to ask some questions. Like you have already, I think, from 8 year in Gwalior, but I live in hostel, so I don't know about the. I know about the Bada, and something is that because whenever I went there, so I just went for my in-laws home for I think 4 to 5 days,
Where is your
and
in-laws home? In
so
Gwalior,
it's
where it is?
Ekta Colony.
Okay.
Have you
Kekta.
heard that Ekta Colony? Yes, yes, yes.
No,
It's
no, no.
what can
Ekta
you
Colony.
didn't heard
I
that?
never heard about this colony.
It's nearby. I also forget it,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
name. So
There is
I
any location
yes,
or landmark if it is
yeah.
so.
Landmark is also, but I also forget it, the actual landmark. What is it?
Because in
So it's
Gwaliar,
Madhavganj.
I hear
Madhavganj. 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 I
Madhavganj.
I think you
Yes,
heard
yes.
that.
I heard about Madhavganj. Okay, okay. There is a
So
local city in Madhavganj is a market.
yeah, it's
Yeah,
a
I
old
heard.
Gwalior can say, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
the old
Yes,
Gwalior.
yes,
Like in
yes, yes.
Indore, here the Rajbada is the old Indore. Like in Gwalior, we can say about to the this is the old Gwalior.
Yes,
So
yes,
that
yes.
is like whoever living for the long time, like for the earlier time. So they are living there, and who are settling down new people family. They are living the I think far away from the city.
Okay, okay. So what
Yeah.
would you which thing you like the most about the Gwalior if you knows which kind
Okay.
of things you know and you would like to the most in
I
Gwalior?
think In Gwalior, I like most there is the Bada, so that is nearby my home. So whenever I went there, so I just explore their window shopping, and for the shopping purpose, I used to go there. But yeah, now like because in Indore I'm also living, so here is the city far away from our home. Like it's about to the 5 kilometer, because here is the more than 40 kilometer. Its city is explored, so it's not possible to go into the main market, because if you want to go to the main market, so we have to across the more than 10 to 15 kilometers. So I
Yes.
don't want to go there. I just explore like
Because
whatever the
I
basic
also
needs.
live in Murar in Gwalior. There is a district Murar. You know, if you heard
Yes,
about
yes, I
Murar,
have
so I
heard
live
that.
in Murar, and it is actually 2 hours. 2 hours I have to. If I go to Bada in Lashkar for shopping or everything, I have to go there.
Yeah,
So there is no good shops or no, the local market is good, but not so much
right.
like a village area it is. So many things are looking like a village type clothing regarding and
Right.
regarding others. So I have to go to Rajbada, and that is called Rajbada also. Bada area in
Yeah,
Gwalior, it
Bada,
is called
Maharaj
Rajbada.
Bada. Actually, it's
Yes.
called not. It is called the Maharaj Bada. Actually,
Maharaja
Indore
Bada.
Bada is
Yes,
called
yes,
the Raj
something,
Bada.
something. Yes, something yeah, like this.
Yes,
So
yes.
I have to go there for shopping every whenever I go. So I prefer most of the time shopping from Lashkar and Gwalior. So I have to go 2 hours. I have to take. I have to like 2 hours. It is taken for reaching Lashkar, and there is only one market, main market that is called Bada. Everything is
Yes.
available in that market. That is a supermarket also.
So
We should call it
yes.
supermarket.
Right, right. Nowadays, like people used to go to the Bada, but there is like in our time there is no malls there. But nowadays, like there is two, three malls is also developed, right?
Yes, yes.
So that is also the memorable thing. And one more thing, I didn't ever visited their monument things. There is so monuments thing, but I didn't ever get the chance to visit it there, because I
It
got
is.
a very small sort of time. So I stuck with my family, so I didn't ever get, because in my near home whenever I went there, so I just go cover both home, like my maiden home and my in-laws home. So that is why I didn't get ever the chance to visit it there.
And whenever you get time, you come here in Gwalior in after like a vacation, holidays, or you ever come here or not?
Yes, yes, I came there, like yes, I came there for like whenever something is else, like some marriages is going on in our family and something celebration is going on,
Hmm.
that time I used to go there, because there is weather is too hot like in the summer season. So I don't get like I don't want to go there, because we can't accept their adapt that weather. That is why I just
Yes, yes,
avoid
yes.
to go
And
to the
nowadays
in summer
there is
season
a
and winter season
raining
also.
season is started in Gwalior, and since morning today onwards, since morning there is going on cats and dogs heavy raining, and 2 or 3 days, since 2 or 3 days it is raining heavily, and before 1 week there is falling water walls, mote water was like I enjoyed a
Yeah.
lot that day. My both kids are actually they said that mama ole gir rahe hain, this is the ole.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes, yes, yes.
they kids are usually very are they are enjoying rainy and
Right.
sunny day and rainy day. They are very fond of we have to go terrace, and we should start to bathing in the raindrops.
Take
Yes, yes.
right, right. My kids also like actually I think here is in Indore also, like more than 15 months, 15 days ago. That time is here is also the Ole. It's water wall is coming down. So
Yes.
my son is also saying like, "Mama, look, burf, ice is coming." So I said, "Okay, this is called the Ole," like that.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because when we was child, we were the child. That time we also used that kind of. We also fond of that.
Yes,
So that
yes,
is why
yes.
that thing is also they are following.
these are our
So what is the
nostalgia,
new
because
things?
when we
Yes.
were in our when we go went our childhood days, so we memorize all these things now. So this is a very good memories. Like childhood is the best part of our life, you know.
Right. Absolutely. Because I think from our children, we just nostalgic our childhood memory, right? Because when we was see, then we think, okay, how they are doing, how they are treating. So we think about our childhood time.
Right, right. So have you asked me some random questions, so please start your questions.
Okay. So, like, I think in Gwalior, because I have experience only the college. I don't have a too much experience of the Gwalior. So, you can say about any beauty. Like, Gwalior have so many beauties. So, like, our viewers also get to know about the Gwalior. What is the new things in Gwalior? So, they will also
Yeah.
get to the knowledge from
Gwalior
it.
is almost,
So, what is
it
the
is a very nice and peaceful city, I would say, and it is famous. It is the heritage of like our music things, musical things. It is famous for the, it is called the heritage of music. Like a धरोहर, हमारे जो संस्कृति की धरोहर है, like तानसेन टेम्पल, जो तानसेन थे, there is a one of the one of the people who is famous for their musician, for their music, and for
musician?
their good
Yes.
things. Like it is he is called like a Tansen, named Tansen. And there so many instruments are there which is situated as a heritage of our culture, heritage of the music. And there in Gwalior we can see in a like a Gandhi Road, when we go like a Lashkar side, so it is called Gandhi Road, and it is very like a very fascinated market, and very peaceful and
For
very
books, I
like,
think, right?
yeah, yeah.
It's famous for the books, Gandhi Market.
Uh, no, no, it is not famous for books. It is famous for the heritage of the Tansen musician.
Okay.
Yeah, it is
Okay. Okay.
like situated Gandhi Road. It is situated, and there on the wall script is written heritage of our Gwalior. Or there are four or five instruments are there, like tabla and flute. And harmonium, like it is put in the earth, on the earth. And very fascinated and very splendid and remarkable monument is there. It is very famous. And on the other hand, if I talk about like small places like Bejatal is here. Bejatal, it
Yes,
is
yes, yes. Vajata.
every Sunday there is a musician,
Fulbagh.
music show is going on by the orchestra.
Okay.
And it every Sunday of the week. And seldom we go there and enjoy it with my family. And sometime there is boating also. In the moonlight it is shining a lot. When we went after some time, we went there. And we enjoyed with our kids boating. And in the moonlight at 9 p.m., it is looking so fabulous or nice. And everywhere it is lightning, colorful lightning is there, are there. So we enjoyed a lot. And so many good remarkable things
Yeah.
like musician, yeah, museum is very very famous of Gwalior. Like named it I forget the name. Music,
Scindia Palace.
what?
It's Scindia Palace?
Scindia
Scindia
Palace,
Palace.
yes, yes. Scindia Palace, yeah.
Yes.
Scindia Palace is also like
Uh,
Scindia's family musician, which is situated like a Scindia's Palace. So it is called Scindia's Palace
right.
Musician. Full name is Scindia's Palace Musician. So museum is also very
Yes,
nice,
yes,
and there
yes.
are a lot of things which is very remarkable and very old. And situated there, we can see. And so many new good like
Fulbagh.
Yeah, Foolwag is also there, and it's my nostalgia
Yeah.
also, because I want to share
Yes.
with you, Preeti, when I got married, and I about to got married like in 2018, when my ceremony has done in Foolwag. First time, me and
Okay.
my husband met in Foolwag. Actually,
Okay.
and till presently, whenever I go and passed from that way. So we all are laughed usually.
Nostalgic
That
always.
this
Yeah.
is our barbadi. We are
Right, right, rightly.
also so like in a small moment we
Yes.
memorize in our mind. So we also laugh ourselves also. See, uh, one day we both are get together here, and we celebrated our ceremony, and we both are very happy at that day. So I said yes, yes. But after 8 years, there are kids and
Yeah.
family, all the things, and so many
Responsibility.
responsibilities
Yes.
on our
Yes.
shoulders. So
Right. So,
yes, matlab after getting married, there are so many changes in ladies' life. Actually, women are facing so many changes in their life, na? Right? Like this,
right, right. Absolutely
you
correct. Because I
also,
also facing like when you are getting the kids, so like you don't think about yourself. You just think about your children because we have a lots of responsibility because we have to grown up them because we can't think about ourselves first. So I think whenever we are getting married, so that time is different. When we are getting the kids, so that time is
yes.
different, totally different. I
After
would say.
marriage,
So I think,
our
ma'am,
life is
yes,
finished.
yes,
Our life, our thinking, our everything, our childhood days will be finished totally and finished now. But this time, this is the high time to learn something for our kids, and getting
yes,
them prepare for the future planning. How can they read and
right.
write? What about their education? We are very anxious. And at that time, when we I am not before marriage, I taught somewhere in 5 or 6 years regularly. And at that time,
Hmm.
there only my responsibility is there, not any people in my family.
Right.
I
Any other?
prepared my lunch only, and I woke up 5:30 a.m. every day because I have to go my job, and I prepared only two parathas. And I remembered
Right.
very nicely. I prepared only two parathas for me. But now, today, this is the time to prepare. I have to prepare 10 parathas early in the
Whole
morning.
family.
Because,
Right, right,
yes,
right, right.
both
Absolutely
kids are
correct.
there and husbands also is there. So, like a so much exhausted life we are living, right?
Right, right.
So yeah,
Yes,
the
yes.
managing
Now I would
well,
say
yeah,
about that,
managing
like,
all the things now,
mhm,
it's too much difficult. Too much difficult.
right.
So this is the
Yes, ma'am.
life
You are absolutely correct
uh,
because
life journey is going on from
so
my
I
side.
would say
Yes, yes.
right, right. I would say about my life. So actually, I didn't make any food stuff at my before my marriage. So when I'm getting married, that time I just went to the for seeing to the my companion partner, my husband. So I used to say like I don't know how to cook the food. So he was saying how what is the use of the you like this because I didn't cook ever actually in my
Okay.
college days also because I used to live in hostel, so I didn't ever to get a chance to cook the food. Whenever I went to my home, that time like my parents always thinking like you are coming for the 5 days or 10 days, so what? Why you are making the food? Why we are stucking to you like that? So that is why I didn't get a chance. But yeah, after getting married, I have to cook the food, all the house chores with my take care of my children. All the
Everything.
responsibility comes on us. So yeah,
Everything
I
is
think, ma'am, we yes. So we have a conclusion of the Gwalior diary is that so there is so many things. First thing is the Maharaj Bada. So that is very famous for the shopping, like who are coming from the outside, from somewhere. So they used to explore their window shopping if they want to do
and
the
second
shopping.
is
So they
don't
went there
forget to
and they can
heritage
done
of
the
Gwalior.
shopping. Second
Tansen,
thing is that
Musician.
Fulbagh, ma'am, you are stuck.
I'm not, your video is stucking from
Hello.
your end. Hello.
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
You
Yes,
are
yes,
audible,
yes.
but
You are audible,
your
but
video,
you are not.
yeah, your expression is not moving. You are not moving, but
I
now
don't
it is.
know, but I okay, okay. Here is also the same issue. Like you are not moving, and I my
Yeah,
photo and
your,
my video
yeah,
is
now your
visible.
hand posture is going on well.
Okay, so second place is that Fulba. So there is the for the study purpose also, like who are doing the study, who went to the Gwalior, so they have to go there for the study. There is so many classes also
And there is a
in
city
Fulba
center
also.
also.
And
It is located
city
at
center, yes,
the center of the Gwalior, and it is very famous
right.
market, I would say. And it is totally the education hub. All type of coachings are there situated, like IIT sector
Yes.
also, CAT, CLAT, every competition, it is prepared by the good faculty is there. And city center is a very nice place also. It is like na, our Agra Sanjay place. It is memorized me like a Sanjay place of Agra. It is situated here. City center is a nice place in Gwalior, I would say, and it's a
Right.
totally education
City
hub.
center.
Totally.
Yes, yes. City, ma'am, city center is for the POS area also. Like who are coming from the other place, they want to situate it and they want to be settled down. They want to earn some, they want to build some property. Like they are thinking like they have to be settled down in Gwalior. So they just went there for the city center place because there is the POS area. So they can live in a peace way there. That
Yes,
is the
yes, yes, yeah, yeah. You are right.
place.
Yes.
And
And
one
it's
more thing, there is you already told about that there is a what is the
heritage of Gwalior.
ma'am, heritage. So that is also there. Like who want to explore the Gwalior, so they can visit it there, so they can get the knowledge about our heritage. What is the Gwalior actually, and who is
Yes,
the heritage of our Gwalior. So I
yes,
think,
yes.
ma'am, that is covered all the thing about the Gwalior. So who are the viewers? They can get the knowledge about our video and what is the new things in Gwalior if they are planning to visit it to the Gwalior if they are getting the chance. So they can explore their place in like they get the knowledge first. They get the knowledge from our video. So that is why I create that video for our viewers. They can get the knowledge from that. So
Right,
thank you
right.
so much for giving this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. So I also get to know about the Gwalior
Don't
Diaries
call me
because before
ma'am.
that,
Yeah,
your session,
you just call me by name,
actually it's
ma'am.
my habit. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Your video is stucking.
I was in office, so that time I used to talk. Yes, yes, I
So I
Bluetooth.
have to be wrap up the
Okay, thank
session
you
now.
so.
Hello.
Yes, yes, ma'am. You can
Okay,
wrap up
I have to
this
be
session.
wrap up the session now because it is
Hello.
stucking. Yeah, video is stucking. Hello.